Hello everyone, my name is Tanveer and I'm going to be your trainer for this video training series for Smart Policy. As we all know, Smart Policy is an insurance brokerage platform used by many brokers in Africa, and with this I welcome you all on board for this training series. As part of this training series, we're going to cover 7 chapters. Okay. Chapter 1 would be introduction and standard functionality of Smart Policy. Chapter 2 would be on the underwriting. Regarding chapter 1, in the introduction and in standard functionality, we're going to see how the standard functionality in Smart Policy looks like. If Smart Policy works by its own standards. If you understand the standards well, you will understand the whole of Smart Policy. Chapter 2, we're going to cover underwriting, and in the underwriting we're going to see how do we create various policies in a very easy manner. Okay, we're going to cover motor, non-motor policy. Okay, and we're going to also see how the risk notes are issued. We're going to see how debit notes will be issued and how the receipting will be done. Chapter 3, we're going to cover accounts. In the accounts we're going to see how receivables are being handled in Smart Policy, how payables are handled to the insurers after deducting your commissions. We're going to see that. Chapter 4, we're going to see endorsements and how endorsements will be done on pro rata basis, how the cancellations will happen. And then chapter 5, which will cover the renewals. I'm going to show you how you send SMS renewal reminders and email renewal reminders, and when the customer comes for renewal, how do you actually renew it. We're going to see that. Chapter 6 would be regarding claims. We're going to see how claims intimations have been taken care of. How do you intimate insurance companies? How do you record feedbacks from the insurance companies, and how do you track claims until it's settled. And finally, we're going to see what are the several setup screens in Smart Policy. This setup will actually guide your application to work according to your requirement. So we're going to see that. This is the training agenda for the whole series. We should start with introduction and standard functionality. So let's get started.